Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your Roblox account location if you accidentally changed it and can't revert it back. Don't worry, you're not alone. This happens to a lot of users. Let's fix it together, step by step. First, open the Roblox app on your mobile device. Tap on the three horizontal dots at the bottom right corner to access the More section. Scroll down and tap on Settings, then go into Account Info. Scroll down again, and you'll see the Account Location option right under the Gender tab. If you've already changed your location once, you'll notice that Roblox no longer allows manual changes to this setting. They clearly mention that you need to contact Roblox support to update your account location. So let's do that. Head back to the home screen of Roblox and tap on the three dots again. Scroll down and tap on Help. Then choose Roblox Account, and under that, select I need help with my account. Scroll down to the end of that section and tap See All 6 articles under Account Settings. Scroll again until you find the article titled, Why Can't I Change My Account Location? Read through it, then tap on Need More Help? Contact Support. Now you'll be directed to the support contact form. Your username will be auto-filled. Fill in your email address. Make sure it's valid because Roblox will contact you there. Then select the device you're using, for example, Android phone. Under Help category, choose How To, then select How To Other. Now for the important part, the description of your issue. You can type something like this. Hello Roblox team. Currently I'm facing a geographical issue on Roblox. I am from current location, for example, the United States, and had set my account to that location. But I've recently moved to new location, for example, the United Kingdom. My account currency is currently in USD, but I want it to be changed to GBP so I can redeem UK gift cards and make purchases accordingly. Please help me update my account location to new location. Thank you. Once you've filled everything in, click Submit, complete the verification CAPTCHA, and your request will be sent to Roblox support. Now all that's left is to wait for their reply. Keep in mind, this method has about a 50-50 success rate. Sometimes it works perfectly. Other times, you may need to create a new Roblox account with the correct location from the beginning. And that's it. If this video helped you out, please leave a like, drop a comment if you have questions, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more helpful Roblox tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.